In this video, I'm going to show you how to join servers on crafting and building. Now, to join servers, you're going to need to sign into an account in order to actually play multiplayer. Now, to do that, you just want to go to the main menu of crafting and building, press on settings, then afterwards go to the left menu and select on account. Now, if you haven't already, you're going to see a button that says sign in. Now, because I'm already signed into my account, it's going to say sign out instead. But if you never signed into an account before, then it is going to appear right over here and you just want to press on that. And then afterwards, you need to create your account. So you can make your account using a pre-existing Gmail address if you already have one, or you can make it completely from scratch. So even if you never had an email address before, you still are able to make an account on crafting and building. And the good thing is that they walk you through the entire process step by step, and it is relatively easy. I also did make a full in-depth video showing you guys how to do it as well. But anyways, once you went ahead and sign in, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on play. Then you want to go ahead and select on servers. Then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually pick a server you want to join, or you guys can add a server if you want. So anyways, I'm just going to select on play just like so. And then as you're able to tell, here we are in a server, and unfortunately you may see some advertisements every now and then. But anyways, after that, you are able to go ahead and play on your server. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.